How to do spell check in Microsoft Excel. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do spell check in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial guys, and without further ado let's go ahead and jump right into it. On your system open Microsoft Excel. Now, you can see I have some clearly misspelled text here. We are going to start by left-clicking on the Review tab. Now click on Spelling. On the right side of Excel window, it's going to ask you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet. Click on Yes. A window will appear. I'm just going to click on Change. Repeat this process. Can see it should be changing once we click on Close, so going to change all these here, and that's pretty much it. Spell check. So this is how you can simply do spell check in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.